it's Miss Parkinson. I'm here at the Edison Garden on a very beautiful but windy day. And today we are getting our garden ready for spring planting. So we have our garden beds here and we're gonna do a little bit of prep to them to get them ready to plant some spring veggies. So I'm gonna show you what we're doing today. These beds have been kind of like asleep all winter. And in the fall, we covered the beds with a layer of leaves to kind of keep the soil nice and mulched, so it kind of keeps the nutrients in the soil. And we are going to go ahead and just stick the shovel in here and kind of mix up the soil. And you can see the soil underneath is a lot warmer and moister. So we're going to just kind of turn the soil in each of the beds. Alright, so now that I've mixed up all the soil that was in the bed with the leaves, we're now going to add some potting soil that's very, very rich with nutrients. This one has earthworm castings and bat guano, so that's like poop of worms and bats. That's a very natural way to add nutrients to your soil. So we're going to go ahead and add this now. So I've poked holes in this bag and now I'm just gonna empty it out. Get all the natural. There's no chemical fertilizers in it, so it's going to make our plants, our veggies and herbs safe to eat. So I'm here. All of our beds are done getting a little refresh for the spring, and now we're ready to start transplanting some of the things that I grew at home. So here I've got some little spinach seedlings that I'm gonna make a little hole for them. It's very windy today. Get a little bit of this organic plant food fertilizer, and then I'm just gonna plop it in there and get it covered around there with soil. Hopefully it will survive. So just a little recap of what we did today in the garden. We refreshed all of the garden beds with new fresh soil with a lot of good nutrients in it. Then in here, I transplanted some of our kale and spinach seedlings, and then I also planted carrot seeds and lettuce seeds in here, and then covered it with plastic so it can be kind of like a mini greenhouse, since it will still probably, I'm sure we'll still get some freezing temperatures at night in the next month or so. So it's important to keep these a little bit protected from frost and freezing temps. And then we just sort of cleaned up around here and got all the beds ready to go. So in about a month, we'll have a lot more things to plant. But for right now, everything is ready. And oh, I forgot. Over here, we planted peas. So peas are actually colder season veggies. They like colder temperatures. So I planted some pea seeds in there and set up this little trellis because peas are climbing plants. They like to climb upwards. So hopefully in the next couple of weeks, we'll see some pea seedlings. So that's what we did today in the garden. We will keep you guys updated as things progress.